Alright guys, so it's taken way too long for your toilet here to fill back up. So, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now, a lot of people talk about that the problem is the fill valve right here. That the crud gets inside here. Now, that is very true. That does happen, but there's something that's ignored, and it could be a potential problem for you. And that problem is your water feed. First, let's turn off your water. You've got a valve like this, righty-tighty. Some valves just have an on and an off. And give the toilet a flush. Let her all drain out. Since you got your water off, it's not filling back up, but you will have a little bit of water in here. So when we take this line off, you're going to want to put a towel down. Right here. Get yourself a 16 millimeter wrench. We'll loosen her up here. Get your supply off of there, just like that. Then we'll come down here and we'll take it off the bowl. I'm turning it to my right. Now we'll look inside our supply valve. Just a little bit of crud in here. This is what part that goes in the toilet. There's a bunch of crud inside there. And a ton of crud in here. Then I try to blow through this thing. I can barely blow through it. There we go. Getting all that nastiness out. Turn this water on real slow. See all the crud come out of it? There, now she's nice and clean. What I can get out of it. There's a little bit there. Not much. Let's see. See, it's pretty nasty. Take a little CLR and spray this up in the hole. There we go. Get in here. Clean this out a little bit better. Some CLR I mixed into a bottle. Usually get it in bulk. Let's see. Yep, it's a lot cleaner now. I'll get my new line on. Screw it on. Get her tight. Beautiful. Work this hose a little bit so it's there. We go. Beautiful thing. You know, and it's a good thing to change these lines out once in a while. You don't want one of these lines to blow out on you while you're at work. That would be bad. Quarter turn after it's tight. Beautiful thing. Turn the water back on. All right. Make sure you check for leaks. No leaks at all. Filling back up. Okay, if you do have a filler valve like this, I do want to show you what you'll be looking at when you take it apart. Anyway, take all 4 of the screws out. Like that. And then if it's too hard to get at it, to get it off, you're going to want to take a pick in between here and pick around the edge. See how that is like that? And then this will come off just like that. I'll just set it like this for now. We're going to take a better look inside here. Oh, good, good. I'm glad I did take this off. I did shave a little time off it because I retimed it. You know, there's a little bit of crud right there. So you want to make sure that all these holes here are cleared out right here. I could barely blow through the supply line, and we've seen a little bit of crud in these holes, and I actually used a small Allen wrench to clean them out. And then any of the larger crud that I had to grab out of there, I used a pair of tweezers. And take note, I did use some CLR and poured it in here to help clean out the holes. All right, let's get the screws back on, and we'll see how well this works. After I get it snug, I'm gonna go back and forth from side to side, tighten it back up. Don't forget to put the supply line back on and make sure that it's all cleaned out. Get that back on. Beautiful. We'll turn our water back on. Look at that stream now. Want to make sure that the tube is back in to get a good time. Flap her down. Looks like we're probably going to shave at least a minute off of here. Hey, if this helped out, consider being a subscriber. Check out the rest of my channel. Beautiful. That is awesome. Almost a minute shaved off.
I love chickens.